Hi, this is Pranav from Learn with Pranav. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube intro from your mobile. For that you need to go to Play Store and search for an app called Canva, C-A-N-V-A, Canva. Give a search. Since it's already installed, I'll click on open. You can register to your Google account, you can register to your Facebook account, or you can register through your email, whatever you wish. I have registered through Google because it's easy. Now click on the plus icon and type here YouTube intro. Okay. Let it open. Now let's see this one. Welcome to my channel. Okay. Let's click on modern gaming. Now let's change the name. I'll keep Pranav Gaming. You can change this too, but I'll keep it as it is. Now if you wish, you can edit it, you can change the font, you can change the font size, you can change the font color, you can change the format, spacing. You see there are various effects. Okay, you can change the transparency from 100% to 59%. See how it is changing. I'll again push it back to 100. You can change the position, you can nudge it, you can add a comment. Right now what I'll do, I'll add an audio to it. So I've clicked on the plus icon. I will go all the way here to audio. Okay, Champion Day, Sucker for Hearts, Epic Voice. Let's click on the first one. Okay, now let's hear it. Perfect. So now let's just click here out here and click on download. MP4, click on download. It is downloading, preparing your design. It will take some time for it to download. Till that time, I'll pause my video. Okay, so now it has been saved to the gallery. Let's minimize it. Let's go to the gallery. Here it is. Let's see. Play the video. Perfect. So that's how you create an intro video in YouTube. If you like my video, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. And if you have got any questions, please do comment below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thank you. Have a nice day.